Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how do I write the most frequent Chinese character 用. Now let's get started. 用 use. In running script, write it like this. Capital letter 2, 1. Now let's make some words and expressions. 运用 apply 不用 no need 作用 effect 用词 wording Next one for today 用户 the user 用 use 运用 apply 不用 no need 作用 effect 用词 wording 用户 user. Can you make up any other words with the Chinese character 用? Let me know in the comment below. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share the video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.